the next presenter will be Natalia Venherska from Ukraine. If Natalia is here, she's coming. So, Natalia, the stage is yours.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm really glad to be here, and I'm really thankful for this team, like Christina and Diana, that they invited us. Is it okay with presentation?
Yeah, I just need a technician who is somewhere.
Oh, just a second. Okay. So I will tell you a little bit about myself. So I'm president of Academy of Development of Union of Rural Tourism in Ukraine. I'm pretty new in this sphere. I have been working last 5 years, and to be honest, it's not easy, especially now amid the war. And I have been living in Ukraine in occupied territories. So, and need to move, and now I'm living in Great Britain. So, but as what I can do, I'm doing for my country. And today, our Union of Rural Tourism is a stage of changing, for transforming, because a war made a lot of different challenges. And so, oh, sorry, how it's... Oh, yeah. So Union was great history, and I know that people who are here, they know how it's big experience, but it was a lot of different activity from west to east, north to south of Ukraine, but how you know, our country is pretty big, and the level of tourism is pretty diverse. So we have a lot of partners, a lot of projects, so I can say that our organization is flexible with high quality and diversity. But at the same time, every organization has some cycle of development, and amid war, unfortunately, a lot of businesses who are struggling. Nevertheless, I choose some pictures which are, of course, very emotional, especially about piano, because it's big pain in the heart, in the soul, because every day people dying, but at the same time, our businesses is a pretty resilient. And a lot of trends, new trends, which are in our country, it's especially new, like displaced person tourism, because people are going from east to west Ukraine, and the level of income of tax is pretty high in this period. Also, is a new trend, it's like psycho-emotional recovery through moved back to land. It's very now high demanding and neo-rural future, because a lot of people who are living in the cities like Mariupol, Zaporizhzhia, Dnipropetrovsk, Kharkiv, they are moved to villages because this here is pretty safe. And new trends, it's like agrotherapy, it's art, authenticity and creativity, which are now also demanded from our businesses. So our Academy of Rural Development has like separate unit of our organization, and we are collect some people who are pretty encouraging to make some changes in our country. So we have 3 branches, like ICATO, like you see, Information Consulting Agritourism Centers, because unfortunately destination marketing organization was in some way of developing, but unfortunately it's not very successful in our country. So our organization is pretty like matrix with teamwork, because we tried, sorry that it's in Ukrainian, but like you see, we're trying to really work in a cooperation between each other. It's people who are volunteering now, including me. So we trying to do with not like our target audience, which are pretty diverse, like you see, it's veterans and their families from rural areas, and it's new target because we have really a big effect of agrotherapy. I will show you some expectation of our target groups. We did a lot of different researches, and like you see, it's a lot of questions and a lot of problems which people concern. Also, we have like a CRM system and a loan management system. I can understand that maybe for another organization it's pretty like standard, but for us it's pretty new. And we got some results because we can monitoring all needs of our businesses, because it depends how they react or our informal education. So I would like to just make accent, because here like networking, to show our projects which we're doing, including my university, Zaporizhzhia National University, and in cooperation especially with Estonia. We have very nice cooperation last 3 years, and including Jean Monnet projects and capacity building. So that's why these topics for us very, very important, because we would like to connect sustainability, creativity, heritage, and frontline reality. So I will show you some, with Estonian partners, some activity which we did in the frontline communities. If you understand, Zaporizhzhia is 15 kilometers from frontline. So here is Dnipropetrovsk, is one of the famous locations, Zeleny Gai, like it was movie from Netflix, BBC, a lot of different mass media who visited these places, because it's some rehab for animals, and this farm, like connecting with cheese farm and for animal, they trying to show how important this agrotherapy for, and also some not so much famous location. So, like you see, we have results, we have resources, we have evidence of success, and we really would like to cooperate with our new team, and maybe you will be interested. Thank you so much.